Good morning, guys. It's Monday, July 14th, and it's Monday. How are you guys doing? Doing alright this week, I guess? Starting out. Spicy chicken. Ramen. Here we go. My way to work. My morning commute. Yes. Walking. Yes. A toy American flag on the floor. Very patriotic. I should pick it up. This doesn't happen every day. Okay. Off we go. Walking down the street. Very hard to see because it's kind of dark. The sun hasn't risen yet. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Railroad tracks. Kind of bumpy. If I go this way, it shaves about 10-15 minutes from my walk. Never can be too cautious. Well, there's such thing as being too prudent. About to cross under the freeway. There's actually some cool graffiti down here. But I don't have a flashlight with me, so maybe next time. Dogs, birds, crickets. Almost finished walking down the railroad tracks. Kind of cool in the morning. Kind of wakes you up. Yeah, I'm a big fan of ambient sounds. Crickets, birds. Not so much dogs, but it's okay. My church, just yonder. Behind me, drowned out by the cars that come by in droves. You can hear it now. Now the cars. Kind of loud. Hear the birds a little bit. Now some more cars from the other side going by. Almost there. Here's the street where I work. Well, the street that the place that I work is on. That's where I work. Okay, Megan, I hope that appeased you. Sorry, couldn't take you inside. I just, don't feel it's proper. But there's a little tidbit anyways. Yeah, so I got a couple of books this weekend. First book, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. I have not read it, so that will be my read this week. And after that will be Vampire Hunter D. I don't know if you guys ever seen the anime. It came out in the 80s. Yeah. It's a cool anime, you should check it out. I don't know if you know this, but I live in California and drivers out here are whack. Yeah, there are a lot of people on the road that don't know how to drive. I don't know, is it the same over where you guys live? Pretty sure it is. But over here it's really bad. A lot of people, a lot of accidents. Yeah, I used to have to commute on the freeway for about a 30-minute ride to work and about an hour back. Yeah, a lot of accidents. Ugh, I always just keep on winking. I can't stop it. Yes, yeah, those winks aren't intended for... Sorry. Yeah, I've lost my train of thought. Yeah, there was a moral, but it's beyond me now. Don't even ask. Yeah, I sort of don't have a car right now. It's kind of broken. Sort of a blessing in disguise, I guess. You know, the gas price, the gas price, the gas price is up so high. You know, and I almost said something really bad. Sorry, I can't talk today, though not any different than any other day. But it's kind of embarrassing. Not really, but kind of. How did you like the birds? I think they're so cool. In the morning, you know, you get up, have sleep, you go outside, and then you hear birds chirping. Yeah, perfect. I would do a dance for you guys, but it's not gonna happen. At least not today. Maybe in the future. Yeah. Okay, this week's challenge for Megan is to show us 3 of your favorite non-fictional books. Good luck with that one. And Lacey, your challenge is to... There, I did the wink again. Your challenge is to perform dialogue from the play that you performed or performing. Good luck. I mean, break a leg or an appendage or something along the lines. I didn't mean that literally. I don't want you to break a leg. Okay, I think that should be enough for today. So, it's a wrap. Let's see. See you tomorrow.
Taking more than we need for cover.